This parabola has a vertex at 1, 2. Excellent work if you figured it out. We want to start by factoring a negative 3 from these first two terms. So we'll have negative 3 times x squared minus 2x. We'll leave a space in order to complete the square, and then we'll have negative 1 on the end. The b value is negative 2 here, so we need to add b over 2 squared in order to complete the square. B divided by 2 equals negative 1, and this number squared is positive 1. This means we add 1 in order to have a perfect square here. But we really just didn't add 1 here. We really subtracted 3. We'll have negative 3x squared here, positive 6x here, and negative 3 here. So in order to make our equation balanced, we'll have to do the opposite of negative 3. We'll have to add 3 to the same side of the equation. This is so that we really add 0. We don't want to change our equation, we really just want to leave it balanced. We can rewrite this as a perfect square, writing x minus 1 squared to replace this trinomial. The factor of negative 3 stays in front, and then we combine negative 1 and positive 3 to get positive 2. This is our equation in vertex form, and we can see that the vertex is h, k, positive 1 and positive 2. Keep in mind, if the y value were equal to 2, then that means this entire expression would have to equal 0, which means the binomial x minus 1 must equal 0. So we set it equal to 0, which means x would have to equal 1. That's the x-coordinate of our vertex. So we have this for our vertex, and then we can get two other points by moving one left and one right of the vertex, and then 3 units down. We can see that more clearly here. 1 unit left and 1 unit right, and then 3 units down. That's our a value. So we have the point 0, negative 1 on our parabola, and we have the point 2, negative 1. And again, notice how these two y coordinates are 3 units less than our vertex.